2 extra perspective on the case against Jessica Weaver. She's the El Paso mother charged with injury to a child by omission after her 3-year-old son Anthony drowned at a city water park this summer. ABC 7's Brianna Pettis sat down with a local attorney to see how this case would play out in court. Now, the toddler died at Camp Cohen in May, and Weaver was arrested this week in Indiana. An El Paso attorney tells Brianna the state will look at several factors in this case, including witnesses and surveillance footage.
During tragedies like this, your conduct, your behavior is going to be looked at by prosecutors and investigators, and if they believe that your inaction is reckless to the point that it's criminal, they're going to bring charges.
4 months after the drowning death of 3-year-old Anthony Leo Malave at Camp Cohen, his mother, Jessica Weaver, will now have to answer to a judge. I spoke with El Paso defense attorney Omar Carmona, who's not involved in the case but has knowledge about the justice system. He says the injury to a child by omission charge carries a stiff punishment of 5 to 99 years or life in prison. Carmona says prosecutors will need to consider several factors, like how many people were in the pool, what the lifeguards were doing, why the child wasn't wearing a life vest, among other things.
What steps did the mother take? Was the mother just out of it for an extended amount of time? Was it quick? All these are factors that the state's going to have to consider.
El Paso District Attorney Bill Hicks has previously said there have been several witnesses who have come forward since the drowning, saying they saw Weaver not paying attention to her child. Carmona says that testimony will be crucial, as well as video evidence.
And I can't stress enough how important surveillance on a case like this would be. Any sort of footage, cameras, so you can see how long. I mean, did the mother look away for 2 seconds and then something happened, or did the mother not bother looking over for several minutes? That's a huge difference, especially when we're talking about a drowning where every second counts.
He says he believes juries are going to be sympathetic towards children in a case like this.
They're going to put themselves in possibly in a position where they're thinking, would I leave my son or daughter unattended for any amount of time at a swimming pool? And so it is definitely an uphill battle. But again, it all depends on how much evidence the state's going to have against her.